What's up, everybody? Hey, listen, if you're new to the channel, my name is William Rivera, and on this channel we talk about making money online. As you can see, we're here at what I call home in Atlanta, Georgia. I recently purchased this penthouse actually a couple months ago, and today I'm actually going to be visiting one of my students that's here in Atlanta, Georgia, that's currently doing around $30,000 a month. But before that, we're gonna make a stop at Costco, check out some products over there, film some ads, because on top of, running these Amazon businesses, I also run the largest e-commerce program out in the market right now, known as Ecom Degree University. In fact, let me give you all a little behind the scenes look at the production side of what I do. I actually put about $20,000 into this office setup right here. And here's actually where I record all the trainings of my students that are inside of Ecom Degree U. So if you're watching this and you're interested in learning how to make money online, again, the link is down below to attend my next free training. But this is where it all goes down as far as, the education side of the business. And check this out right here too. This is actually one of our new Amazon stores that we just got up and running. Did over $10,000 in sales in the last 30 days. And I'm about to show you guys in this video how you can do the exact same by sourcing products locally at stores like Costco. So let's head over to Costco. I'm gonna hit up my boy Connor too, one of my students, and see if we can go to his crib and see him prep some orders. Gonna take the Lamborghini today. For those of y'all that don't know, there's actually a Lamborghini, 2023 Lamborghini Huracan Evo, all-wheel drive. You can tell by the front of the grille if it's an all-wheel drive or a rear-wheel drive. And I bought this because I had a 2020 Lamborghini Huracan Evo before, and I accidentally hit a pothole and it cracked the radiator and I fried the engine. So this one I bought $380,000 cash, and yeah, we're about to get into it and go to Costco. So let's do it.
Jeez. Just pulled up the top to Costco.
Yes, sir. So we about to go into Costco, record some ads, and we're then gonna pull up in to my boy Connor's crib. He's doing $40,000 a month on Amazon right now. I slick should FaceTime him soon. I'm gonna FaceTime him when I'm in Costco. But yeah, guys, for a lot of you guys that don't know, I always preach getting an LLC and a reseller's permit to open up a wholesale account with a brand. But you really don't have to do that if you're like short on capital. Like, let's say you have less than $1,000. I wouldn't encourage you to spend money on an LLC or reseller's permit because you already don't have much. So what I would do if you have less than $1,000 is go to your local stores like Costco, Marshall's, Sam's Club, and use the Amazon seller app on your phone to scan the products in these stores to see what's profitable. And then once you start flipping those products and making money, then you can go and invest in an LLC, reseller's permit, and start doing things a more legit way and just a more scalable way too, because you're not gonna wanna come to stores every single day. But if you had the connection with the brand through your LLC and reseller's permit, you wouldn't have to. You would just call them, email them, or go to their website and order products through there. So yeah, guys, also one more thing. I am dropping a software very soon called Scan Profit, because the Amazon seller app isn't the best. Like, it works, but it's not the best. Amazon Scout works too, but it's not the best. So I actually took what I loved about Amazon Scout, took what I loved about the Amazon seller app, but then also removed all the things that I hated from those two apps, and I built what I believe is the #1 Amazon software right now. It's not out yet, but it will be out very, very soon. So just make sure you're on the lookout for Scan Profit. That's SCAN Profit. Scan Profit on Instagram too, because hey, we're about to take over the market. But with that being said, I'm about to walk into this Costco. I don't have a membership here, but we're gonna see what's up.
Ooh, baby. Costco.
We at Costco.
God damn.
We'll see if we don't get kicked out. Timmy finessed this thing. He said his auntie was on the way. She's not on the way.
She's not coming.
And I would have got a membership because my plan was to get a membership today, but I forgot my wallet. So I knew they was going to ask for an ID, so it was cooked. Shout out to Timmy though. We in this one. What's up, guys? So we're here in Costco, and I just want to show you how simple it is to really find products to sell on Amazon. So I just scanned this product using the Amazon seller app, and the Amazon seller app pops up how much this product is selling on Amazon for right now. And when I click on it, all I have to do is enter the cost of the product at the store. So you see it says cost of purchase, and right here we can see that it's $19.99. So I'm gonna enter $19.99 right here, and we can see that after I enter this, give me 1 second. After I enter it, it tells me that my profit on this product is going to be about $5.89 per unit. And you can see all of the units that are here right now, and it actually has a good sales ring, so this would be a good product to sell. The only thing that I'm seeing here that would be an issue is that it's gated, but as long as you get ungated for this brand, this would be a profitable product to add to your Amazon portfolio. And we actually help people get ungated for brands like this. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually throw our ungating guide for free in the description. So if you wanna learn how to get ungated for brands like this, just go to the link in the description and grab the ungating guide. It's completely free. Guys, if you don't believe me that my students are crushing it, doing this exact same business model, check this out. There's actually a group chat that I have with my Legacy Mastermind student, Katie, and she literally ran the play the other day. You can see she's stocked up on this laundry detergent, and each one of these units right here is actually going to make her around $3 profit every single unit. And she didn't stop there. She actually went ahead and got even more stuff because she understands that people are shopping on Amazon, and as long as we're able to buy these products for low and sell them for high, I mean, that's the oldest business model there is. Buy something for cheaper than what you're going to sell it for, and you're always starting to make a profit.
Just pulled up.
What's good, boss?
We just got another 3K.
Oh yeah, nah, I saw you close it. That's what's up.
Yeah, I've been out here, bro.
Why are you outside? Hold up. Just put up to my boy Connor's crib. We're about to see what's up. He has an Amazon operation going on in here, doing over $30,000 a month. So, hey man, y'all see it weird. What's good, bro?
What's up, bro?
He's just gonna be rolling the whole time, yeah, man.
Yeah, I got the little setup. We could pop the garage open. I threw a couple in here too, so.
Okay. So when do you pick these up? The orders that you have in here?
A couple days ago.
A couple days ago, okay. Where do you source these products from?
Ollie's.
Ollie's?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's up? Yeah, let's see it.
Yeah, shit.
Fire. So how much profit are coming from each one of these units?
Yeah, you're looking at 14 a piece on this. We're doing Tide detergent, and then that you're looking at $7.
Fire. So for the viewers watching, like I took them to Costco already today, and I was showing them how you can scan products in Costco, and you can see like what products are profitable to sell and whatnot. How did like you get started in Amazon? Did you get started just by going into these stores and scanning things, or?
Absolutely, bro. The first day I ever listed a product going into the store, I started with RX bars and Slim Fast.
Okay, and what stores were you going to? Was it Ollie's?
Yeah, Ollie's.
Okay, so this man literally only goes to Ollie's, and he's doing like, how much did you do last month on Amazon?
40K.
40K, and when did you start selling on Amazon?
It'd be first ever sale, March 4th of 2023.
Okay, so like a little over a year ago,
Yeah.
and now you're doing $40,000 a month on Amazon.
Yeah.
That's crazy. So I mean, y'all see it here first, like real people, real results. People are really doing this, and if you're not making money on Amazon, that's on you. Yeah, Connor's actually one of the coaches in my program as well.
Yo, if you don't pick up, you're gay.
Nah, that's crazy.
Pick up, he's like, yo, I got this chick ready to close.
Yeah, and then you just went and did it.
Yeah.
Just now.
Yeah, got the phone number, bro.
Nah, fire, bro.
Get the platinum, bro.
That's good. So yeah, we just got a student enroll into Platinum, which is our second highest tiered coaching program. We got a new mastermind called Legacy Mastermind. It's a $20,000 mastermind, and it's where we actually bring people in and we get them funding for over 100K at 0% interest. And then instead of them having to do the product research, instead of them having to go out and apply for wholesale accounts, we connect them with the people that we already have relationships with, the distributors we have relationships with, and we just connect them right there, and then they can buy the products from the distributor. So it's like literally, if you need money, we help you get the money, and then if you need products to sell, we tell you what to sell, and we plug that connection. So yeah.
Yeah, like some of these, we could scan this shit.
So this is the inside of a $30,000 a month Amazon operation. Got the Tide laundry detergent going crazy.
We're on the tail end of inventory, bro. We did 56K in sales in the month of April. Did 40K even in the month of May, and we're just rolling it into this month.
That's crazy. So how much did you make your first month on Amazon? Was it big or was it like small?
30 days is around like 10K.
So your first month you did 10K.
Yeah.
And then you kind of just snowballed up from there?
Yeah. And I turned my store off like 3 months into this, bro.
Okay.
And it's just been going like me personally, I've only done FBM.
Nice.
So just touching products like this.
And you turned it off, why? Because you getting too many orders?
Going back and forth, like up to New York, stuff like that. Yeah.
Fire.
But yeah, I turned this shit back on like April 5th of like this year, from there to the end of April, 56K, bro.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and then like going into the next month, there's 40K, and then last month it was just under that 39, like pushing 40.
All right, so let me ask you this: like, what do you think? So you're doing like 30K a month on Amazon. Like, what do you think is the difference between someone like you that's doing 30K a month and then someone that can't even get to 10K a month?
The price I had the benefit too of like, you know, being with you guys. But
Yeah.
I mean, like the program itself teaches that. I got to learn this play, and a lot of this is liquidated. So I'm not going against anybody else.
Mm-hmm.
If there is any other sellers, it's just third party, like couple units here and there.
Okay.
And
So you're on a lot of listings where there aren't that many competitors.
Nah, dude, like half this shit, I'm the only seller.
Okay. Cool.
And I'll show you this, bro. This one's actually crazy.
All right, let's scan this product and see what's up.
Yeah, I think there's a couple
So what do you use to scan products?
seller app.
Seller app? Okay.
Nah, like just the seller app, bro.
Oh, just the Amazon seller app?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
For the viewers, bro. $4.49 a unit.
So he's buying this for $4.49 from Ollie's.
I'm about to scan this.
Scanning this with the Amazon seller app.
Yeah, look, let the viewers know. 7,000 sales rank. There's not a single person on that listing. And then boom, like right here, 2-pack, $21.50. 14K sales rank.
So the cheapest price for that product on Amazon is around
Yo, show them, bro.
$21. So the cheapest price for that product on Amazon is $21.50. And he's able to source it at Ollie's, local to him, probably like a 10-minute drive from here, right?
Yeah.
For $4.49.
Yo, tell them about that 15% off.
And he gets an extra 15% off at Ollie's for being an Ollie's member there.
Bro.
So after all fees, shipping, and everything, what do you think is like the profit on this product per
easy,
unit?
bro. Yeah, definitely. If it's going like somewhere close to us in Georgia, about $6. Going somewhere like Cali, looking at like $4, $5 a unit.
Okay, dope. And we got a lot of units here, as you can see. So guys, I mean, if you're not making money online, it's literally because you're not trying.
I get with your boy.
Yeah, and don't be discouraged if you started an online business in the past and it didn't work, because like I talked to a lot of people and they're like, yeah, I tried to start a clothing line, it didn't work, or I tried to start my own like gym company and it didn't work, like a fitness product or whatever. And it's because doing those things is a lot harder than just selling a product that people already know, like, and trust. So if your first endeavor didn't work out, just know that you can start here, and Amazon is basically doing 80% of the work for you because all the customers are already there. You don't have to build a website. Amazon.com is your website. All you have to do is actually go and find these products. You can see the products everywhere. Connor, how much did you make on Amazon last month?
40K, bro. 40K in sales.
Selling those laundry detergents back there?
Oh yeah, bro. High brand.
Hey, listen, if you're not making money on Amazon yet, I just recorded a 20-minute training teaching you how you can use money from banks like Chase that they're offering at 0% interest funding to buy products, like for example, this Tide laundry detergent right here that sells on Amazon every single day. So if you want to watch that training, just swipe up on this ad and it'll take you to the page where you can watch it. See you there. Grapefruit seltzer.
Yeah.
$2.
They got bought out by Monster too, bro.
That's crazy. So whenever these companies get bought out, these stores like Ollie's and all these clearance stores, they liquidate basically all that they have.
Yeah.
And then that's an opportunity for
Bro, it's fucking
the Amazon
massive.
seller.
Massive,
And like you said, Bang just got bought out.
Yeah.
That's why you have so much Bang too.
bro. Yeah, dude, I had, at one point, that whole front was this.
Who bought Bang?
Monster.
Monster.
Yeah. Taking them out of the business, bro.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy. This oatmeal brand probably got bought out too, huh? They went crazy.
Yeah, dude. Come down here and grab a bag. Bro, that's crazy. But yeah, all I do is like put the shit in the box, print the labels upstairs. Bro, it's too.
So how much time does this take?
Nah, like legitimately, when I was doing that, the biggest month I ever did is pushing 56.
Yeah.
I would get all my labels ready, like scattered, whatever, bring them downstairs, and it'd be like 2 hours in here. Literally just put them in the car. There's a UPS right down the road, and then the big ass USPS down the road, bro. It'd take me like 2 hours, 2.5 hours a day.
And you were doing 56K?
Yeah, 56K in 30 days, bro.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
2 hours a day, 56K, it's not
No,
that bad.
there's mad potential, bro. Like,
Yeah.
there really is. a lot of people.
And then obviously if you wanted to go faster, like once you get to like 100K a month, you'd probably just hire a buddy or a friend to like help you pack orders and stuff. Because right now it's just a one-man show.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what? So, but you just proved that a one-man show can do 50K a month on Amazon just by yourself.
A lot of people, just bring the music down, bro, speaker, shit.
Yeah, just vibe you for 2 hours.
Yeah.
I mean, I would much rather do that for 2 hours than be at a job for 8,
Yeah,
9, 10.
And only make 8 an hour, you know?
Yeah, exactly. So, I mean, hey, I hear you, bro.
Yeah, get done, bro, straight to the gym.
Yeah, that's all you need, bro. You need an activity every day that makes you money, and then you need an activity every day that keeps you fit. You gotta stay rich and fit. Shout out to Rich and Fit, best gym in Atlanta.
Braves game Saturday. You pulling up, right?
What do you need me to do? Just show up?
Just show up.
Alright, bro.
I bet.
Alright, bro.
Game's at like 7:30.